Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to set various animation effects in our PowerPoint presentation slides. So now we are going to learn very much interesting feature of PowerPoint 2007, which is animations. So without animation, PowerPoint presentation will be not look beautiful. So let's see how to set animation effects to our presentation slides and text. So first go to the animation ribbon, in which you will find custom animation options in animation option. So click on that. Now select the object on which you want to set your animation effect and go to the right hand side animation toolbar, which is custom animation toolbar, and go to the add effect. In add effect, you will see various type of effects provided by PowerPoint, which is entrance, emphasis, exit and motion paths. So select one of them, entrance, and I will see blind effects. So you can see effect is displayed. Now to change the effect, you can go to this change and set another effect like diamond. So this is the diamond effect. Now on which event you want to start these effects, means on click, with previous or after previous. So I'm selecting on click. You can select direction of effect in and out. So this is in effect and this is out effect. You can also set speed of your effect motion. So I am selecting slow. So this is slow effect, and this is our effect which we have set on our particular object. Now let's play this animation effect. Now our slide is looking very nice. Now let's set one by one effect on all the objects. So select particular text and add effect, spin, and click on play. So this is about animation effects in PowerPoint 2007. You can set various effects whichever you like from custom animation, and you can set various effects related option from custom animation toolbar. So this is about effects in PowerPoint. Thank you.